What if I told you some SUVs can last longer than most people keep their cars? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. Not all SUVs are built the same. Some fall apart after just a few years, while others quietly cross 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles, with nothing more than basic maintenance. No expensive repairs, no constant breakdowns, no headaches, just years of reliable driving. And today, I'm counting down the SUVs that are known for exactly that. The ones that keep going, long after everything else has given up. Make sure you stick around for number one, because that SUV, it's in a league of its own. Number 5. Toyota Land Cruiser. There's a reason this SUV is legendary. Not popular, not trendy, legendary. The Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just a vehicle. It's a survival tool, built for deserts, war zones, mountains where roads don't even exist. This is the SUV people trust when breaking down is not an option. We're talking about an engine that can run for decades, a body built like a tank, and reliability that borders on unbelievable. 300,000 miles? That's normal. 500,000? Not shocking. This SUV isn't just built to last. It's built to outlive almost anything on the road. And when people see one still driving after 20 years, they don't ask how old it is. They ask one thing: how is it still alive? If you love cars that just refuse to die, hit subscribe right now, because the next SUV is just as unstoppable. Number 4. Toyota 4Runner. If the Land Cruiser is a tank, the Toyota 4Runner is a warrior. Simple, rugged, built with one purpose: to keep going. No unnecessary tech, no complicated systems, just pure, old-school reliability. And that's why you'll still see 4Runners from the early 2000s, driving like nothing happened, built to take abuse, off-road, harsh weather, daily driving for decades, and it handles all of it without complaining. 300,000 miles? That's just the beginning. And when something breaks, it's simple, cheap, easy to fix. That's why people trust it. But the next SUV takes reliability in a completely different direction. Number 3. Honda CR-V. This one surprises a lot of people because it doesn't look aggressive. It doesn't look powerful. But don't let that fool you. The Honda CR-V is one of the most durable SUVs ever built. 300,000 plus miles. With basic maintenance, no major breakdowns, no expensive surprises, just fuel, oil changes, and it keeps going, year after year. This isn't an off-road monster. It's something even more important. A daily driver that never lets you down. Cheap to maintain, easy to fix, always reliable, and that's why it lasts. But now, we step into something even tougher. Number 2. Lexus GX. This is where luxury meets indestructible. The Lexus GX is basically a Land Cruiser in a luxury suit. Same DNA, same strength, but more comfort. Leather seats, smooth ride, premium feel. But underneath, it's still a beast. Body on frame, built for punishment. Mud, snow, rocks. It doesn't care. 300,000 miles? Expected. 400,000? Still going. That's what makes this SUV different. You're not just buying luxury. You're buying peace of mind. But the final SUV is on another level. Number 1. Chevrolet Suburban. This isn't just an SUV. It's a legend of endurance. The Chevrolet Suburban has been around for decades. For one reason: it refuses to die. Used by governments, police, families for generations. Because it just keeps going. 400,000 miles? Common. 500,000? It happens. Big engine, strong body, built for long-distance abuse. This isn't just reliability. It's dominance. It carries more, drives longer, lasts harder. This isn't a car you own. It's a car you pass down. Here's the truth. Most cars are built to last a few years. These SUVs, they're built to outlive you. They don't care about mileage. They don't care about time. They just keep going. So if you had to choose one, which SUV would you trust with your life? Comment below. Beast. And if you want more videos about cars that save you money, outlast everything, and secretly dominate the road, subscribe. Because the next video might change the way you buy cars forever.